Hi guys, welcome to Colossus Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. In today's class we are going to be talking about finding identity elements of a binary operation. Now when you want to find the identity element in a binary operation, how do you do that? Don't forget, in my previous video I told you that identity under addition is what? Is 0, and identity under multiplication is what? Is 1. So that is what this example 1 and 2 want to show us. I get what I'm saying. So let's see the solution, and don't forget the formula for finding identity is what? A star E equal to what? E star A equal to 1. Just use A star E. Always use A star E equal to what? A. If you use this, you are going to get your answers directly. I get what I'm saying now. So let's do that. So we have the first question that says what? A star B equal to what? A plus B. I see that this is A star B equal to B. So I want to do what? Our formula is what? A star E equal to what? A. I see that. So that means from this place, from this our question, you have to do your A star E first. So in this question, your A star E in this question will be what? So your A star E, if you do that, A star E will be equal to what? A plus E. I'm sure you know what that means. Yes, anywhere I see B, I'm just putting what? E. Are you seeing that now? So that means I will now say A plus E is equal to what now? A, using the formula. And then you make E the subject of what formula. So that will be what? E equal to what? A minus what? A. And that's E equal to what? 0. That's why we said the identity under addition is what? Is 0. Are you seeing that now? So that's your question 1. For our question 2. For question 2. Question 2 says A star B equal to what? A B. Are you seeing that now? So our formula is what? You already know your formula, that your formula is what? Is A star E equal to what? A. So just do, what will be your A star E? Your A star E will be what? Anywhere you see A, you put A. Anywhere you see B now, you put what? E. So that will be what? A E. Are you seeing that now? Then you now say that what? A E equal to what now? A. Then divide both sides by what? A. Divide both sides by what? A. This cancel this. E is equal to what? 1. That's why we said that what? Identity under multiplication is what? Is 1. So that is what I just proved in these two examples. I get what I'm saying now. So now number 3. Number 3 question says that what? A operation what? Operation B is equal to what? AB over 3. Are you seeing that now? So what will it be? That will be what? AE over 3 equal to what? A. I'm sure you understand what I'm doing like that. You can see I've done 2 examples for you like a baby using the formula already. You just turn, anywhere you see B, you put A. Anywhere you see, anywhere you see A, you put A. Anywhere you see B, you are putting what now? E. So that's why this one become AE over what? Over 3. Are you seeing that now? Equal to what? A. If you cross multiply, you will have AE equal to what? 3A. Make A E subject of formula. Divide both sides by what? A. Divide both sides by what? A. This cancel this. This cancel this. That means your identity here is what now? 3. Are you seeing that? You can see that this is a very simple example. Consider it a very simple example. Look at number 4. Number 4 says that what? Number 4 says that what? X star Y. It says X star Y is equal to what? X plus Y minus 1. You want to find the identity. So that will now be what? No, you know your identity here will be what? X star E. I get what I'm saying? X star, or no, let's just keep using our A. Let's keep using our A. So our this will be what? A star what? A star E equal to what? A. So what will be your A star E? Your A star E will be anywhere you see A, you put, anywhere you see X here, you put A, anywhere you see Y, you put E. So that will be what? A plus what? Plus E. Are you seeing that now? Minus 1. Equal to what now? Equal to A. Remember the formula, Abi? So that will now be what? You bring A to this side. So that will give you E minus 1 equal to what? A minus A. And that will be E minus 1 equal to what? 0. Therefore, E is equal to what? 1. Are you seeing that now? You can see that these are very simple things. You see, they are very simple. Then the last question there, we have, the last question says x star y equal to what? 2x plus 2y minus 1 all over 2. Are you seeing this now? This is a very simple question. All over 2. So what do you do there? Your A star E will be what? What will be your A star E? That will be what? 2A plus what? 2E minus 1 all over what? 2. Then you make it equal to what now? Equal to what? A. Are you seeing that? If you cross multiply, you have 2A plus 2E minus 1 equal to what? 2A. Are you seeing that now? You bring this one to this side. This will become what? 2E equal to, 2E minus 1 equal to what? 2A minus 2A. Because this is plus, so when it corresponds to what? Minus. And that will now give us what? 2E equal to what? 0. 2E minus 1 equal to what? 0. And that will give us what? 2E equal to what? 1. Then divide both sides by what? 2. That means our E here is what now? 1 over 2. Do you understand that now? So that is how you find your what? Your identity elements. I get what I'm saying. That's how you find your identity elements. So don't forget, this is the first question. These are the questions that we solve now. Alright, don't forget the way I solved the first one, just using your formula and you will get your answer. Alright, so let me give you an assignment. Find the identity of number 1. Let me change this pen to black now. Number one, do for x operation y equal to 9xy. Yes, find the identity elements of that particular solution. All right, find the identity elements of this solution. Then also do for x star y equal to what? Equal to 3x plus y over 5 minus 1. Yes, do these two as an assignment. Find the identity element of these operations. All right, so that will be all for today's class. In our next video, I'll be talking about how to find inverse elements. You get, and that will be everything you need to know under binary operation. All right, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Also turn on the notification button so that you can get to see my video when they are being uploaded. All right, thank you very much for watching and do have a great day.